My name's Jonathan Van Ypern from McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC, and today we at McNaught Customs did up some sick 2018 GMC Sierra Elevations. Let's go through them. So at McNaught Customs, we have two packages we like to do, a level 1 and a level 2 that all work on the beautiful GMC Sierra. Level 1, you get the exhaust, 33-inch tires, box rails, and a 2.5 front and rear level kit. Now let's talk about how sick that is. I mean, just look at this truck in the beautiful stone blue metallic. But you can get it done on any kind of car that you want. It doesn't matter. Now for the level 2. As you can see, black emblems, as well as everything in level 1. Exhaust, but wait, 33-inch tires? No, we got 35s on this bad boy. I'm 6'2", and look how big this truck is. We also give you a tonneau cover. A tonneau cover? What? That is the McNaught difference here at McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC. You know what else it comes with? A 3-inch body lift, which means you still get original suspension. Original suspension. Doesn't negate any warranties? That's what we do at McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC. So let's talk about the price of these beautiful trucks. A level 1 is $59,995 plus tax. Level 2, $89,995 plus tax. And you get a truck that looks like this, and you're not touching the suspension. I can't stress that enough. You still get all your 3 years, 60,000 kilometer warranty on everything.